So here are our Don't Forget to Accessorize quilts. The pattern features a guy with the top hat and bow tie and a girl with a bow and jewelry around her neck, or you could go vice versa. These are using Pick Your Poison from Clothworks fabric. I want to talk a little bit about how they came to be and the story behind these quilts. Originally, we had gotten a line of fabric from Quilting Treasures, and it was pink and black and white. It was very, very funky, and they asked me to do something edgy with it. And so I came up with the girl version, the skull with the bow, and we named it Don't Forget to Accessorize. And it did all right. A lot of people did like it, but there was a little controversy because it was done in pink and it was a skull, so we changed it up. And when Clothworks had this line of fabric called Pick Your Poison, we redid it in the Halloween fabrics, and we gave our friend a fellow to hang out with. So that's the story behind these. You can use scrappy fabrics for the skull head, which you see here, but originally it was designed with 2 or 3 very light whites, so it had like a mottled look to it versus a scrappy look. So that's something to consider if you decide to make these. They are great for beginners, advanced beginners. If you've never done fusible applique, the pieces are big and chunky. You can use charm pack out on the outer border if you have some fun Halloween charm packs you want to use, because then the center could be basics. So there's a lot of options with these. You don't have to do them in Halloween. You could just do them in whatever your favorite colors are. And you can accessorize them however you want. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek behind the scenes of why these quilts came to be. These were both made by Linda Farr and then quilted by Mary Johnson. They did a wonderful job. I'm going to zoom in here so you can take a look at them closer. And again, it was Pick Your Poison from Clothworks, which is just a really fun, funky line. I do have to say, let me zoom in here, see the little spiders in the fabric. There has been 1 or 2 times now it's been sitting on my table. I'm like, what is on the skull? And not really realizing it's part of the fabric. So then let's check out her necklace. She has a really fun medallion that's fussy cut out of the fabrics. I'm going to go slowly around here so you can see the fabrics. Again, it was just a fun quilt, but it came about not for Halloween at all. It came about because they wanted an edgy, funky quilt out of hot pink, black, and white. And like I said, that was the first one we did. And then when we redid it in Halloween, we decided to do the top hat and the bow tie and give you the option of which skull head you would like to make, because that's really important when you're making a quilt. So I hope you have enjoyed this little story behind the quilt of our Don't Forget to Accessorize quilts. This pattern is available on our website, and you can check out our tutorials on fusible applique and how to finish your applique, as well as our basics videos if you're interested in doing one of these. So I thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe below, and have a good one. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you like and subscribe below. You can find the Whimsical Workshop on our website, thewhimsicalworkshop.com, and that has all links to all of our other social media platforms. Thanks for joining us.